step-by-step guide on how you can delete your Google Tag Manager account. So you want to Google search for Google Tag Manager and sign in with your Google account credentials. And before we're able to actually remove our account or delete it, you have to remove all containers. Since you can't delete a Google Tag Manager account with active containers, you must remove the containers first. Here's how we can delete a container. So in the Google Tag Manager dashboard, you will select the account that contains the containers you want to delete. In the left navigation panel, so from the left, you will click on the container you want to delete. Go to the admin tab, which should be located on the top bar. Under the container section, click on container settings, scroll down and click on delete container. And afterwards, you'll just confirm the deletion by clicking on delete again. You will repeat this process for each container in the account, and once all of the containers have been cleaned or removed, here's how we can delete the Google Tag Manager account. You will, on your Google Tag Manager dashboard, you will click on the admin tab. Under the account section, you will click on account settings. You just gotta scroll down and select delete account and confirm the action by clicking on delete in the confirmation window. To confirm your account deletion, after confirming, the Google Tag Manager account will be deleted permanently and you will no longer have access to it. I hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next.